Hello, this is Oscar from 3D Pro OS, and today I'm going to show you how easy it is to submit a file from TinkerCAD straight to 3D Pro OS. So let's say I've created this cozy little house here, and when I want to easily port this to 3D Pro OS, I just need to click Export, go to 3D Print, and then choose 3D Pro OS. And now this will redirect me to 3D Pro OS. And what's really awesome about this is that you can actually do this from an iPad or a Chromebook. So it's really simple and you don't have to have a desktop PC per se. And as you can see here, I'm opening up 3D Pro OS and it's going to load the file and it's there. Pretty cool, right? Thank you, everybody. Bye.